Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you watch an ad in Vita Mahjong to get a hint, shuffle, or undo, and now the app is stuck on the add in screen and won't take you back to the game? Here's the fix. First, look closely at the corners of the ad screen for a small X or close button. On certain ad formats, the close button appears after a delay of 5 to 7 seconds and is positioned in unusual spot. So give it a moment before assuming it completely frozen. If there's genuinely no close button and the screen is stuck, you'll need to force close Vita Mahjong completely from your recent apps, then reopen the app. Your game progress should still be there since Vita Mahjong auto saves. To stop this happening as often, go to settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and scroll down to the list of apps, find Vita Mahjong and tap Offload app. Once you tap Offload, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to clear corrupted ad cage data. Also, check in settings, go to your settings app again, then go back, go to software update and install any pending iOS update. Since outdated iOS ad framework compatibility is a common trigger for ads not closing properly. So all you've got to do is look for delayed close button first, then force close it if genuinely stuck. Your progress is saved, offload and reinstall to reduce how often it happens, and that's it. Subscribe.